Morning, everybody. Are we even live? Let's see. Yep, we're live on TikTok. Let's see if we come over to here. There we go. Okay. Good morning, good morning, good morning. There we go. We do need another. That's not the right kind. We'll get it in a minute. All right, I don't even know what I'm doing. All right, good morning. Litecoin was a correct call again, just for you haters out there. Can suck it.
I trade anyone, toe, let's go. Come on alive, choose your weapon. Get SP, and you know it's already low. You haven't got the block, you haven't got the sniper, you haven't got the safety trade system. All you traders out there, step up, line up. I got my sniper locked and loaded.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
One, what's your emergency? Fake traders on the floor, pips bleeding out everywhere you ask. Got margin called, I'm sending you back to your market maker. What you talking about? News, you make me laugh. We got it covered, red fold, yellow folder, don't matter. Let's go, it's over. Fake traders it's over. You can never take from me what I meant the day I was forged in the donkey fake. Traders better run from the bark in a park. We gon' take it, trade lines, head and shoulder patterns. Feet up and lashes, you make me laugh. You get my buck up off the floor, the always. The whole work come to the winning side, baby, safety trade system.
Looks like I was right about Litecoin again, huh, guys? And it's just getting started. You're up over 20% from my original call at 103. Good morning, Lazarus. Good morning to everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch, and Facebook. We're back on live on Facebook. Speaking of which, I just thought of something.
Get up! Tell them! Yo, I trade anyone, toe, let's go. Come on alive, choose your weapon. Get SP, and you know it's already low. You haven't got the block, you haven't got the sniper, you haven't got the safety trade system. All you traders out there, step up, line up. I got my sniper locked and loaded. Night out one, what's your emergency? Fake traders on the floor, pips bleeding out everywhere you ask. Got margin called, I'm sending you back to your market maker. What you talking about? News, you make me laugh. We got it covered, red fold, yellow folder, don't matter. Let's go, it's over. Fake traders.
Good morning, everybody. Give me a second to finish setting everything up.
Can never take from me what I meant the day I was forged in the dark and fake. Traders better run from the bark in a park. We gon' take it, trade lines, head and shoulder patterns. Feet up and lashes, you make me laugh. You get my buck up off the floor, the always. The whole work come to the winning side, baby, safety trade system.
I swear, if you play that song on a real stereo, not on a TV with something that has really bass, that bass hits hard. Good morning. Today's October the 2nd, Tuesday. right, peeps. All right. Yeah, we're over like 50 symbols now. Back testing our BRE fully automatic robot. Yep, that's what we're doing. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We're almost there. There we go. Anybody? Oh, there's a few people here. Good morning, Jones 808. Good morning, LT. Good morning, Alex. Good morning, SOG. Good morning, Sam. Thank you for that, and yes, we are. Good morning, Brian. Good morning, Taraya Edwards. Hey, Amy Lou. So glad you're here, Amy. Good morning, Amy Lou. And good morning, Lachey. Now, that is what I was doing, is hold on one second. I have to find out where is Larry. Where is Larry? Give me 1 second while I write one of our members. All right. There it is for Larry. All right. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. We are trading today. Demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
I do want to say a quick little prayer right here for Keith and Nader. In case some of you didn't know, our great friend, very, very, very good friend, is one of the real people in this world that's kind and genuine and nice, has passed recently. A little over, well, right at a week, I think, now at this point, actually. But anywho, and according to my belief system, he's up in heaven, so I should be celebrating, but my physical body is sad and my mind is sad, and miss him. Used to talk to him every day. Used to bullshit with him and shoot the shit and do trading stuff and do a whole bunch of coding stuff with him. Yeah, he'll sorely be missed. But anyway, love you, Keith. God bless. Hope you're giving him hell up in heaven, as your son said. All right, let's get rolling. Litecoin. Anybody notice Litecoin go up to its daily orange line like I called? Daily buy stop on Litecoin. Anybody notice the Litecoin call? Yes or sevens for that you didn't remember I called that? Oh no, Amy Lou, that doesn't sound good at all. That sounds horrid. Oh no. That sounds terrible, Amy. Good morning, Tank Dog. Praying for you to find another job and for financial blessings for you, Amy. Good morning, Exit. Brexit. Good morning, Grant. Good morning, Lachey. Taraya Edwards. Amy Lou again. Good morning, Grant R. We have 2 Grants. I think we actually have 3 or 4. Yeah, I called out buy stop, strongest possible buy recommendation on Litecoin there, but let me see something right here. I am not a financial advisor, blah. Litecoin, strongest buy recommendation. We'll go up 50% to 400%. Well, that's pretty specific. And this was on 8/28. I'll be updating this really soon. Probably when we get back from a recent, or going on a cruise again. We're going on a cruise. Cruising is so much fucking fun. But yeah, I called it to the orange line. It hit exactly where I said. Oh, speaking of which, hold on. We have this written down thanks to our great Kim. Where is daily callouts for Kev? I don't know the last time I called it. Maybe here. This looks pretty positive. You guys see any Litecoin? I can't. Hold on. How do I get this into the thing? Open a browser. Boom. That's better. Buy stop, buy stop. No prices? Well, that ain't gonna help us at all. Where's my fucking prices at? Why would I have called something with no prices? Hold on. Let's see if we got it here then. Sounds like something I would do. Where is Litecoin? Oh, come on. With all these, I had to have called it. Oh, fuck you, TikTok. I swear to God. I'm not referring anyone out anywhere. Shut the... God, I can't stand them. All right, negative Litecoin. Here we go. Buy stop, buy stop. Okay, so buy stop. 122. Let's see if it hit 122 on Litecoin, and it went up to... I don't know. How high did Litecoin go? It's always tough for me to see this off the okay charts on trading. Yeah, it hit 122.62. Can anyone confirm that Litecoin hit 122.62 or 122.86 or 122 something? Grant, thank you, Coach. I kept loading up on Litecoin at 103. I loaded up on Nike SMG. There you go, Grant. There you go, Grant. We're going to pin that message this morning. There you go. Someone's actually listening to me. What do you know, peeps? Someone is actually listening to me. Wow. Oh, that's George. George, why isn't your name coming up? Another testimonial. Yep. Now look at what he said. Wow, that's what you call smart. Grant, how long have you been with me? Grant with no R on the last name. I think 122. It hit 122.62. And what was my call? Fuck. What was my call? 122. Whoa, what? 122? No. Let's take a look, shall we? Let's zoom in a lot. Shall we? Shall we? How fun is this? Name another. Go ahead. Try to name another trader that tells you days and weeks and months before it goes there. Litecoin. 122.62. You guys crack me up. And somehow I still have haters. I'm just here helping the community of traders, guys. Get off with the hate. Start being appreciative that I'm sharing this with you. I did not have to share this with you. Here is my Litecoin buy stop on 9/24, but I've been doing it all the time forever. There's the call out. Anybody here can read that? Litecoin. I swear to God, he didn't really go. He didn't go. Oh, I don't know if he called it. Oh, Litecoin. Take profit 1 hit. Take profit 2 hit. Take profit 3 hit within 62 cents. But I was late getting in. I'm still happy you got some money, demo money, Amy Lou. Very happy. Oh, this month. Okay, Grant. Well, Grant, please arise. Sir Grant. Second Grant, by the way. Sir Grant, protector of the safety trade system, knight of the safety trade round system table, whatever the hell that is. And if you refresh yourself, you'll see a silly little blue blue wrench and a blue name next to your name, Grant. Congratulations. Da, 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 da. 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 And yes, George, he will be greatly missed, because every one of you here knows Keith, by the way. Now, is there any doubters or haters here that would like to speak up and say, I didn't call what you're seeing in front of your very eyes? Go ahead. Is there any doubters or haters here?
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
How smart is Grant? You're welcome, Grant. Grant B. Oh, he put his last initial on there. That's smart. Grant B and Grant R. Love the name Grant. You guys are very good traders, very smart. You're listening to what I say. So is calling Litecoin set? What's up, Ace Bullet? Is calling Litecoin within 62 cents of its high? I said 122. It went to 122.62. Is that pretty good, very good, excellent, outstanding? How the fuck did he do it? Mind-blowing, or all of the above? You can go with D, all the above if you like. But is calling a buy stop on Litecoin to a certain number and being within 62 cents of that number, is that pretty fucking good? Take a moment and understand what you're witnessing. This is historic. The safety trade system will be taught at college level, graduate level. It'll be taught at university level. It'll be taught at high school level. I'm hoping it gets taught at middle school level. Is calling a trade, a symbol, any symbol on earth, within 62 cents, pretty good, exceptional, holy fuck, what's up, Adam? How the fuck did he do it? Come on, this isn't a rhetorical question, I need answers. Now, I might have an ace up my hole with my mom, and I might have an ace up a hole with Keith up there. But I think that's exceptional. I think it's mind-blowing. How the fuck? I never thought in a billion years I would ever make a call on a symbol. I was wrong so many times when I first started trading. I'm humbled to remember now that I've been trading over 31 years. The last, I think I'm at 5 years, 6 years. I have no idea. From anywhere in the world, speaking of which, we're going to be going to a whole bunch of different countries on a cruise soon. We're going to add a lot more countries. What's up, Kagan? Good morning, Erica. Nope, not good enough. If I don't get more answers on YouTube, I'm out of YouTube land. How the fuck did he do that? Thank you, Adam. That is the correct answer. You guys got to have, you take what I do for granted. All of you every day hear me make 50, 100 calls when I'm making calls on that day correctly, over and over and over again. And then we put it in writing, and then we have every trade I ever do is tracked manually. Every trade I ever do is tracked computerized. We have a signal service that is flawless, doesn't miss, demo trade only. And then when it's written out, telling you that it was going to go to 110, it did, when it was at 103, telling you it was going to go to 115, which it did, telling you it was going to go to 122, which it did, telling you it's going to go to 134, which it will. Unfrequent Ken Louder. Yeah, you're with me, Ken. I'm a very bad speller. I mean, come on. Give God the credit. You don't have to give me the credit. Here's the rest of the call out. It's not going to go just to 122. That was the first stop. It's then going to go on to 135, 150, 200, and over 300. As a matter of fact, I'm going to add one. It's going to go over 400. So don't tell me I didn't tell you about Litecoin. I told you about Litecoin. You could have already made money on it twice. This is the third time it's gone up to where I said it was going to go. So there's Litecoin. Litecoin buy stop until over to over $400. Litecoin.
Demo trade only.
Now,
I am not a financial.
Am I going to complain that Litecoin went from 103 to 122 and it doesn't go anywhere? I know, I don't fucking care. You name another fucking stock or symbol that you can make 20% on in a fucking unbelievably accurate manner. Go ahead. I double dog dare you. Bullshit. Easy like that. Now, let's see how high it will go. And by the way, let's look to the left here, shall we? This is the bullshit raw chart. No one can trade it. No one knew that was going up to where it was. Matter of fact, if you looked at this according to all your standard, look to the left, ascending, descending, this is called consolidation. They don't know anywhere where the fuck that thing's going, just so we're clear. You can't use Fibonacci on that. You can't look to the left. All the old RSI, all the old ways of trading suck fucking ass and are wrong 99.999% of the time. That's why you guys are all here. Now, we're not done. 1 month, buy stop. This is your next stop. $140.02. Next stop. $154.78. Next stop. $194.07. Next stop. $238.28. Next stop. $311.95. Last call I'll be calling for Litecoin is $400. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Oh yeah, Sog. I can die at any second. That's why all of you need to buy the system, learn how to trade for yourselves, and you don't have to worry if I live or die. But I could die at any second. Amen to that, Sog. Good morning, Joe Bigga. I would sell, if you can, Amy Lou, let me give you a hint here. If you can buy it and you made whatever you made on this last trade, and you can sell a little bit, I don't know, let's just say you bought, I don't know. For argument's sake, let's just say she bought $300. I would sell a third of it at 20% profit. Okay? Then I'd move the remaining little bit I had, let's say $200, and I would move it into slight take profit. And then I would let it run up to here, about $154. And then I would sell another $100 of it. Okay? And then I'd move my break even to somewhere around here at 111. And I would let it run. And then that last remaining bit, let it run to over $400 or to $400, $350, $400. And when it gets to $350 and you don't sell, you're greedy, don't do that. Just take your money and run. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor.
Trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Okay, so hopefully that helped. I'm on Coinbase. That's easy. You can trade off Coinbase. By the way, Uphold is a much superior, in my opinion, not a financial advisor, is a much superior trading platform for cryptos than Coinbase. It's called Uphold, UPHOLD. It's an app. Hold on, let me see if I can pull it up for you. This is where I do 99%, well, 90% of all my crypto trading is right on here. This one right here is hold on. I swear to God, they're making Google 100% unusable. Hold on. I swear to fucking God. Hold your horses. Give me a second here. Right here. This is Uphold, not a financial advisor. This is what I personally use. I love Uphold. They have instant transfer of money. You can buy anything you want. You can do repeating transactions. It is, I just love Uphold. Can't speak highly enough of Uphold or Public for that matter. Public is another good one. That's mainly stocks, where I do my stocks and options. I mean, these little apps have come a long way. Public. This is it. For stocks, well, I use shit tons. I use shit tons of brokers, but generally speaking, I love Public for my stocks. Looks just like that little blue thing right there. Right there. And then Uphold for my crypto. Sevens, if you guys understand that, I don't really care. It's just a matter of what I do. You guys can do anything you want to do. Now, why the fuck did that stop working? Hold on. I swear. Okay. Oh my God. Anywho. You're welcome, Amy Lou. I really hope it helps her. All right. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, and Facebook. We're just getting started. We are on a daily buy stop, hit its orange line. It was within 62 cents. I think that's pretty fucking good. It's still going to go up. Next stop it's going to for Litecoin is going to be $144.40. And then it's going to go up after that. And it's going to go right here to where this orange line. And then it's going to go to here, here, and here. And that is Litecoin. Please make no misunderstandings. I'm calling it for a daily, weekly buy stop. It will go to where I said it's going. It's just a matter of time. It's not an if, it's a matter of when. All right, next. Might have to call Larry on the phone. I'm very concerned. All right, what do we got going on here? Let's call out all these indices for us. I don't think it ever turned overnight, did it? I don't think so. 1 minute, 5 seconds. 1 second. Oh, looky there. It's doing it as we speak. Let me see something. Not to the 5 second line yet. All right, let's take a look. That is an interesting mess of doom. Let me see what's going on here. Why does it look like that? I wouldn't touch this right now. Leave this alone. 5 second sell stop. No. All right, what are all indices? I think they're just up too high right now. I don't think we can call shit. Let me make sure there's nothing here. US 30. US 30, 15-minute buy stop. YM1, 15-minute buy stop. Take profit. 46,451.19 cents. YM1, US 30, 15-minute buy stop.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial.
I don't. Have we had anyone know if the Uno reverse happened? Keith's bot Uno reverse happened. I don't know. If Larry was here, I'd ask him. Where John Parker or anyone here? Does anyone know if the Uno did anything? Did anyone know? Did anything go down to like the 1 minute blue line yet? If not, it's going to be happening soon. Ooh. Please don't post in the Discord. Big D. Thank you, D. I need to edit this, actually. Let's change this subject real quick. And it's just getting started. Bam, baby. All right, there we go. Now we're back in. Good morning to everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. It did not. Thank you, Persistent. Yeah, look for that reversal soon, but I'm not going to call it yet. If it fires up, hopefully my little note will let me know. Thank you very much, Persistent. Okay. Ba 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 ba. All right, so nothing really to call on these. I'm not going to call them yet other than that 15-minute buy. Litecoin again. Don't give me any shit that you can read this on a raw chart or with RSI. Or you can't see shit. This is 100% consolidation. You can come over the monthly, see it's a buy stop with my system. You can clearly see it's a daily buy stop with my system. And if I zoom in as much as what it is on the left, let's go over here to the daily. Yeah, okay. Good luck on this. There ain't nothing, no way, no how. Did you know, unlike right here, did you know that this was going up? My system is clear as, it's coming at you like a snail. Green, 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 red, buy, stop, boom. Green, 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 red. This is the second leg of a W right here, by the way, just so we're clear. Buy, stop, Litecoin. Flawless. The system is fucking flawless. What's up, Alex? Kia Alex. Good morning, Mr. Kevin. Do we expect a pullback on NAS 100? We don't expect anything. We're just going to wait for the Keith bot to flip around and show us that it's going to be going down. We'll know when it happens. So, do we expect? We just wait for the official call. We'll know. All right, let's go over to gold. Gold has been correctly called as a daily, weekly buy stop. There's no way in hell anything at all could have ever called gold to go up. I remember so many analysts, oh, it's at a high, it can't keep going. Yes, it is. Thanks to the great Kim Harrington. She's turned me on to gold about 3-4 years ago, maybe even 4 or 5 years ago now, I don't know. Pink going up to the blue happened again in 2024, January, and then again in September of 2024, and then again January of this year, and then just right now. Gold has officially hit its past its 80%. We're actually, gold is a closed symbol. Gold has gone as high and as accurately with 100% callouts that I expected. Okay. You're welcome, Kia. Good morning, A Patriot. So gold is a closed symbol. I would wait and do any buy stop you can find on gold, especially a 30-minute one. But I would wait, and let me draw it out for you again. This is exactly what's going to happen with gold. Make no confusion about it. This is exactly what's now going to happen with gold, just like it's been doing. You're going to see it come down like this, then it's going to hook up like this, and then it's going to come down like this and hook up again like that. Then you're going to see this blue line, hopefully, if it stays solid, will stay on the weekly. I don't know on that one. We'll see. It'll look just like that. And then on this green stuff over here, you're going to see it come down again, just like it did here. You're going to see gold do this, 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 this. Then you're going to see that yellow line. Do this right here, do this right here. Then you're going to see price action do this right here on gold. Someone remember this date that I did this draw out for you, because this is exactly what's going to happen. And then you're going to see it do this, 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 this. And then you're going to see it do this, this, this. This will be over the next. This will be over till this will be happening somewhere around from now into January, the end of January. You'll see this thing come down like this, and then you'll see it go back up sometime January, February, right? Boom. And then you'll see it come back down sometime around August-ish, September, August, maybe July. It'll come back down again, and then it will hook and come back up. So this is going to be for the remainder of, this is for 2026 January-ish, give or take a month. And then it will do it again in 2026, I don't know, somewhere around July, let's say June, July. What's this right now? Maybe a little later. Let's go with like July, August. And that's what gold's going to be doing for the next year. We're just going to wait for it to do it. It's repeated this since 2023, 2024, 2025, and now it'll do it again in 2026. Do I expect gold to come down? Of course. Do I play a sell on gold? Never. Only do buy stops on gold until further notice. I'll let you know if gold turns into a sell pattern. Promise.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
Is everybody clear on gold? Yes or no? 7s for yeses, 9s for nos, or you could actually write out a Y or an N if you're not too lazy. And there's no way to know what was going to happen on gold daily or weekly without my system. No one knows. They fucking guess out their assholes. If you'd have looked at this right here, let's be clear. If you'd have looked at this right here, everyone would have said, oh, this is consolidation. No, I don't know. No one knows what this is going to do. It's consolidation. Maybe it'll go up, maybe it'll go down. Fuck out of here. 100% a buy stop. Look at the sniper. 100% accurate call. Straight up to the moon it went. All right. Oopsie, hit the thing. Sorry. And that is gold in detail. And by the way, silver will follow that exact same action. Silver that's hitting record highs that I called for it to go to record highs, that the system was clearly a daily, weekly buy stop on this. Clearly. I mean, you can't mistake it. You can see it right here. There's your daily buy back when gold was at, silver was at $31.81. There's your buy. You have no clue of what it's going to do if you were trading it in the old-fashioned ways. Nothing would have told you. Oh, but if you combine RSI, which doesn't work 99% of the time, and if you to combine that with look to the left, that doesn't work 99% of the time, and if you would have did support and resistance, which doesn't work 99% of the time, but this is some clown's logic. I'm going to leave it at that. If you combine RSI, which is wrong 99% of the time, with look to the left, wrong 99% of the time, with, I don't know, support and resistance, wrong 99% of the time. Somehow, magically, didn't spell that right, did I? Magically, you'll be right. And this is basically what? You can't combine 3,000 wrong things and say that it's going to be right. But we actually had some dingy-doy, some clownette, try to say that if you combined RSI, that's wrong. 99% of the time with support. Okay, 93% of the time. I'm the one who's saying that. It's proven that they're wrong 93% of the time. I'm saying it's 99% of the time, let's be clear. But who am I? I'm a nobody.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Thank you, Andrew, for speaking those kind words, Andrew Frejo. Does everyone get? Because who here still believes, hold on, with price earnings, with, are you getting with naming of candles? What the fuck? What the hell? What the helly? Sevens, if you understand that you can't combine any of these old ways of training and make them work. They suck fucking ass and are wrong 99.999% of the time. And you know how I know it? Because all the other traders in the world who claim to use the old ways of trading have never come and traded against me. They're all a bunch of clowns. and they will not trade live. They will not trade with me live. They will not trade on 1 second, 5 second. They can't trade 15. They can't trade daily fucking trades. I've called out every trader in the world to trade with me for the last 4.5, 5 years. And none of them have ever come on my show because they're all liars and don't know what the fuck they're doing. Am I clear? I swear. Keith's up there trying to calm me down and I'm laughing my ass off. What's up, old school Mick? Fuck out of here. You and your clownettes and your clowns trying to tell me that RSI works. Fuck RSI. Fuck look to the left. Fuck support and resistance. You heard me right. Fuck support and resistance. Fuck support and resistance. Pile of shit stuff. Paid some dingbat supposed guru. You know what my fucking support and resistance did? Oh, go to the daily chart. If you go to the daily chart and you mark up your support and resistance on daily, and then if you go to the 12 hour, and then if you go to the 4 hour, and then if you go to the 2 hour, and then if you go to the 1 hour, and then if you go to the 15 minute, and I'm like, what the fuck, woman? How am I supposed to know what support and resistance is? What support? What the fuck is resistant? My chart have fucking lines on it fucking every 2 fucking centimeters. Who the fuck trades like this? This is what my chart looked like. And maybe even this is cleaner than what my chart was. This is support and resistance. You start from top down. Tell me if I don't know. I've fucking been trading fucking 30 fucking 1 years, you fucking clowns. Look, this is what I was trading with. This is support and resistance. Well, everything's support. Everything's fucking resistance. The fuck's wrong with these people? Still teaching support and resistance in this day and age is a fucking crime. Swear to God. Andrew Rayo, tell him, coach. It's so asinine to me that people think support and resistance works. How many people had charts that looked just like that? Though the chart, it did look very colorful, Sam K. It really did, because she had me mark it up with blue on daily and green on 4 hour and purple on, what the fuck? You can't trade support and resistance. You don't know where the fuck it's going. You have no clue of where it's going. Everything's support. Everything's resistance. Do you really want me to go into naming of candle and candle patterns? Do you really, really want me to do that? How asinine. I never fell for candling. I never fell for naming of candles. Because what killed me on naming of candles was you can make your candlesticks any fucking thing. You could turn them into a line. So where's your candle pattern there? Where's your morning star and evening star there? Where's your step line? Where's your naming of candles there? Where's your columns? Where's your naming of candle and candle patterns there? Where's your area? Where's your naming of candle? They're so full of shit. The Heineken Ashley bullshit things. Oh my God, worst thing ever invented. Renko, there you go. You know, because that's for sure what the fuck? Where's your naming of candle? You want me to rip every damn motherfucking thing that you've been taught? Naming of candle and candle patterns was so moronic that when I first started a month in, I go, that ain't right. And what the fuck's wrong with these people? There's no fucking way that's right. I knew that. Instinctively, I knew that one was wrong. You want me to go over RSI, awesome oscillator? Get the fuck out of here with all that bullshit. All of it sucks. All of it's wrong. 93% of the time. How do I know it's 93% wrong? Because 93% of all traders are taught it. 93% of all traders quit within the first 3 years of trading. I am here supporting the whole community of traders every day. I'm here loving you all. I'm yelling at you. I'm trying to help you from the bottom of my heart, bottom of my soul, giving you out free signals every fucking day. Well, okay. Every fucking week, I'm giving out free signals to help you all. All I ask in return is buy the system and support what's making you demo money. Because you damn well, everyone here knows the old ways of trading is, that's why we're all fucking here. That's why I invented the system. Would I have invented the system if the fucking old ways of trading worked? No. The old trading ways of trading suck fucking ass. I did. It was a mess, says Lachey. It's all of us, Lachey, have tried using support and resistance. All of us have tried looking to the left. Look to the left. Look to that support and resistance. Volume VWAP, block trading. You name it. Oh, price earnings. Price earnings matter. Price earnings no, earnings don't matter. Your PE ratio does not matter. Doesn't matter what news there is. Doesn't matter if Donald Trump got elected or not. Doesn't matter if Kamala Harris got elected or not. Doesn't matter about tariffs. Doesn't matter about any news. You have to understand when there is a buy stop, and it's confirmed with the daily and the weekly, right? You will, right here, this is a buy stop. You will see silver in this case go up no matter what. You guys have to understand that as a basic, and I was really pissed. Somebody in the Discord or something said that. I was about ready to throw them out of the Discord. You have to understand when there is a daily, weekly silver buy stop, and it's confirmed with the, let me show you. And it's confirmed, let me go over to silver real quick. You cannot, it will not, cannot, and has never gone down. And I remember some fucking clown came into the Discord. Goes, what about this? He's trying to be a smart ass and show that it wasn't working. He didn't have a fucking clue of what he was talking about. Thank God he calmed his ass down so I don't have to throw him out. Look, listen to me. When you see this pattern, right, well, either one of these, but right here, right? Let me go over this for you. You're looking at on the left, the weekly silver, on the right, the daily silver. When you see this, let me show you. This pattern right here never, ever, including right here, ever fails to go up. When you see this on a, let me be clear, I'm not stuttering. When you see this exact pattern here, combined with this pattern right here, it will never miss. In a billion years, I've never seen it miss on any symbol, ever. When you see this right here, this is what you're looking for, to be clear. Blue line high, pink line low on your sniper. The blue line drops and matches it. You have your buy stop. Then you have your fill in the gap trades, both of them. I'll just hit this one for you. And then you have a broken Bach in this case against a non-broken Bach. And then you have your green, and then you have our logo, and then you have the green things. Then you have your logo, then you have the orange below the yellow and the green. And then I can get up to, roughly speaking, about over 30 different indicators on my system to tell me this is a buy. Go ahead, I'll triple dog dare you to find any symbol on a daily, weekly that has this setup that did not go up. We've checked 150 of them, over 150 of them, 150 times it goes up. It never goes down when it's exactly this, ever. And this high probability setup happens all the fucking time on hundreds and hundreds and symbols. I'm guessing on over 1,000 symbols on TradingView. I don't know. I've never looked at 1,000, but we have looked at over 150 of them. It always works every fucking time. There, take that to the fucking demo bank. Swear to God. You know how much you help us. Yes, thank you, Sam. Even though I've only been part of the family 1 month, I love it. Thank you, Sam. Good morning, Kevin. Thoughts and prayers to Keith. Thank you, China Bowman. China, how long have you been with me, China? I think she's been with me a couple of years. Am I clear on my explanation of silver and how it applies to every symbol? Yes, I'm clear, or no, I'm not. 7s, I'm clear, or 9, I'm stuttering. Come on. I'm showing you a system that works every fucking time on demo trades only. I'm not a financial advisor. And it always works, and some of you still can't make fucking money with my system. I tell you what the fuck Litecoin's gonna do months before it happens, and it does it. And some of you still can't make fucking money. Demo money only, of course. China, how long have you been with me? Bowman. I mean, take a picture of this, print it, put it on your trading laptop computer or your monitor at home, put it in front of your mirror in the bathroom, hang it from your car mirror, rear view mirror, put it everywhere you'll look, put it on your TV if you watch TV, put it everywhere you look, let this burn into your head, and apply the daily, weekly, apply it to the weekly, 3 weekly, apply it to the 3 weekly, monthly, and especially apply it to the monthly, 3 monthly. And only take these trades that you see here, and you cannot and will not ever be wrong with a trade of fucking again. Dumbo money, not a financial advisor. About a year, okay. Nice. Correct. They need to have courage, Andrew. Thank you, Erica. Thank you for the prayers for Keith. Keith is a great man. Yeah. Fucking bummer. It's a good friend, best friend of mine. Loved him. China Bowman. Long overdue. Sorry for this. Please rise, and everyone welcome China Bowman. China, you are now a knight of the safety trade system. Arise, China Bowman. You are a protector of the safety trade system. Arise, China Bowman. You now have a seat at the round table of the safety trade system. Sir China Bowman, welcome. I'm only kidding around with all that, but if you refresh your little self, you will have a blue wrench with a blue name, China. Now, I don't think Erica's been with me. Erica, have you been with me a year or over? I don't think she has. What's up, Robert Lee? Good morning, Robert. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, Aussie Trader on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch, and Facebook Live. Yes, we're back on Facebook Live. All right, so that was a very detailed call on silver, explaining exactly how to trade it. It's too high right now. I wouldn't touch silver with a 30-foot pole. Does that mean it's not going to keep going up? No, I called it to go to $50. It's almost there. It'll go. Litecoin, as I explained multiple times this morning, Litecoin has gone up to within 62 cents of my previous high that I called. Litecoin's a permanent buy until further notice. Oh, 2 years. Yay! Erica, I'm so... Boy, Erica, I apologize. That's a year too late. Arise, Sir Erica. What's the last name? I don't want to mistake her. Oh, I don't have it. Arise, Sir Erica 621, Knight of the safety trade system. You now have a silly little blue wrench with a blue name, but it is. You're a protector of the system. I expect you to look out for the best interests of the system from now on. You are now a moderator of the system. Erica and China, congratulations to both of you. You are now moderators. How's ETH and Bitcoin looking? I haven't looked at them yet, but I will soon. What's up, John Parker? Welcome, John. John, do you know Larry? Larry C. Shouldn't say his last name, but do you know Larry C., who came on here every day for the last fucking 4 years? I'm trying to contact him. I guess I'm going to have to call him. I hope everything's okay for him. Valencia. Amy Lou, hooray. Thank you, Amy Lou. Erica says, yay. And for those of you new to the channel on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, or Twitch, when you see somebody on YouTube with a blue wrench and a blue name, 99.99% of them have been with me a year or more. And most are 2 or 3 or 4 years. And that says something. When you see a live and there's like 50, 60 people watching and 40 of them have blue names, they've been with me a long time, that tells you that I must be doing something right, because they wouldn't waste their fucking time with me otherwise. Can you contact him, John, and see if everything's okay? I've wrote him, emailed him twice. Me and Bree are very concerned. I hope he's okay. He's probably on a okay, John, that's true. He probably did make so much money off Ethereum. He is on vacation. That's funny. Okay, let's keep on going. So let me be clear on this. Litecoin, strongest buy recommendation, buy stop, demo trade only. Litecoin is going to keep going up. It's just getting started.
Demo trade only.
Nike.
I am not a financial advisor.
Nike, let's take a look at Nike. Let's take a look at Nike. Nike. Strongest buy recommendation, rarely, and let me be clear on this, you have no clue that, matter of fact, you would have said this was head and shoulders and this fucker would have went down without my system on the left. You had no clue that this was going to go up with my system on the right. This is a very, very, very strong buy recommendation for Nike. 100% buy recommendation for Nike. Good morning to everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. I can't give this a strong enough buy recommendation for Nike. This is a daily buy. Let me repeat that one more time for those of you in the back. Where is my, I gotta get a hold, there it is. Here we go. Oh, nope, don't want dual. Here we go. Okay, after being correct on Litecoin and it going up over 20% and it's just getting started, we have the Nike. Before any earnings report, Nike was called to go up. This is a daily strongest possible buy recommendation on Nike. It'll be going to $77.31, $85.50 whatever cents, and it'll go up to $91.69. I can't give a strong enough buy recommendation on Nike for the 15th millionth time. Pink cross blue, green, 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 red. It's our logo. Okay, I had to do that. Sorry. Now that takes care of that. And let's go back over to here. All right. So yeah, does everybody understand the power of Nike? You can get some demo options on that through Publix. You can trade Nike till you're blue in the face. Nike is a strong, strong buy. Good morning, Mr. Gold. Welcome. I'm surprised Mr. Gold and Larry don't hang out. They all win with the system every day. Is everyone clear on Nike being the strongest possible buy recommendation? Oof, damn. All right, I'm going to tell you this. Hold on, let me see how high this goes. It's 80. Where is this one to? Okay. When Nike gets to around about 80, be careful. We still have to finish this. I am very leery of this weekly sell. I got to call it. $64 and then Nike $56. I don't believe it's going there. If it goes that low, I'll just buy more options. But just so you guys are all aware that there is a strong possibility of that. I'm going to go ahead and call this one officially. This is my official call for Nike. Let me not stutter my words or go back and forth on anything. This is clearly and directly a 3-month, 6-month buy stop on Nike. Nike's next take profit will be $79.69. This is what I told Amy Lee earlier. Say you bought $500 worth of Nike. Sell $100 worth of Nike when it hits the $79.69. And don't forget, I've been recommending it since $57. And then sell another $100 worth of Nike when it hits $94.87. And then sell another $100 when it hits $121.09. And then let Nike just run. Keep one open, okay? That's how you play Nike.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Okay, that's Nike. Target. Again, another extremely strong buy stop. Target is a 3-month, 6-month buy stop, which, by the way, I called back in January, just so we're clear. It takes a long time for some of these to flip and come up. Take profit 1 for Target, $190.34, $136.45, $160.54. And then eventually Target will go over $278. CVS, we've been right on CVS so much, it's getting a little bit... You're going to be right. I mean, come on. Look at all this money you made from $45 all the way up to $76. Target has hit take profit 1. I'm sorry. CVS has hit take profit 1, take profit 2, It will be going to $84.52, and then it will be going up to $107.71, and that is CVS. I can't recommend it strongly enough.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial.
Estee Lauder, another one. We've been making nothing but money on Estee Lauder over and over and over again. Estee Lauder is a very, very strong daily buy stop to the blue line. Estee Lauder is a very, very strong buy stop. $99.40 take profit, $121.19 take profit, $141.37 take profit. Okay? And that is Estee Lauder. Verizon, another one we've making a shit ton of money on Verizon. Let's go up to here, 3 months, 6 months, 6 month, 12-month buy stop on Verizon. I love Verizon. Take profit 1 has been hit. Take profit 2 has been hit. Take profit 3, $51.44, and then it will go over $61. That is Verizon.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
SMCI is a 3-week monthly buy stop. SMCI will be going back to $61.91, and then $70.83, and then over $119. PFE. Oh, daily buy stop to the blue line of $32.29. It's technically actually a 3-month, 6-month buy stop. Take profit $32.39. Then it'll be going to $40.66, and then it'll go over $62. That's PFE. Starbucks. Mainly I call it because me and my wife love it, so you guys can laugh all you want. It is a daily weekly sell to $57. Wow. But I don't care. Don't take the sell unless you're really hyper. I would only look at a 3-month, 6-month buy stop on Starbucks. Take profit of $88.83, $94.92, and then it will go over $125 for Starbucks.
Demo trade
Flow.
only. I am not a financial advisor.
Flow. Sell. A month, 3 months, 6 months, 6 month. 3 months, 6 month buy stop Flow. Yep, sticking with it, don't care. Keep buying it as it goes down. Take profit of $14.39, $17.13, $20.90, $22.62, $25.02, and it'll eventually go over $30. Oxy, love this trade. Daily buy stop to the blue line. I love this take profit of $51.08. Love the daily Oxy. Love it, love it, love it. I'm going to skip over that 3-week sell. 3 months, 6 month. 6 month, 12 month? Yeah, love the 6 month, 12 month Oxy. Take profit 1, we're almost there, $52 and whatever that is, 85 cents, $64.63, $80.35, and then it'll go over 117. TM, daily buy stop, gorgeous daily, perfect daily. What is TM? Does TM have options? Uh-oh, hold on, I might have to get some TM options. Hold on a second. TM. I don't even know what the fuck this thing is or does. I don't care to know. Hold on. Let me go back over here. Let me go back over here. Okay, I don't know what TM is, but this is a perfect daily, weekly buy stop. TM, take profit of $194.98. It's absolutely going to $197.61 and over $200 for TM, whatever the fuck that is. Daily, weekly buy stop. I love TM. This is the strongest buy recommendation I can give to any. It's a little late in the, but we can get it. This is still perfect for a daily. Do it. All right, and that is TM. Let me go back over to here now. Sorry. I found 2 of my old iPhones. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 5 old iPhones now. That's really awesome. Okay. All right, next up. AT&T. I've been calling AT&T correctly for forever. It is now turned into a daily, weekly buy stop. I love AT&T. It's going to go back to $28.34, and then it's going to go to $29.07. AT&T. Love it.
Demo Demo trade only.
Bitcoin.
I am not
I've called correctly Bitcoin since March the 8th of 2023 when it was at 26,500, and I've called it every day since then correctly. Bitcoin, as I told you, look where it's going. As I told you, it's going back to 120,000. It's going to go back to 122,000. It's going to go up over 123. It's going to go to 125,000, and that is Bitcoin. And fuck it, and eventually it's going to go over 130,000. That is Bitcoin. Also, though, it is a closed trade in my book. I've called it correctly, 100% correctly for the last, 2.5 coming up on 3 years. Ethereum.
Demo trade only. I am
Ethereum.
not a
I've called
financial advisor.
Ethereum out so much, Larry's probably on a vacation somewhere. It is a daily, weekly buy stop on Ethereum. I can't call it strong enough. You should have been in Ethereum at 4,150. You would have made $300. It's going to go to 4,500 Ethereum, and then it's going to go up over 4,923. As a matter of fact, it's going past 5,000. That's Ethereum.
Demo trade only.
XRP.
I am not a financial advisor.
XRP is also a buy stop daily, weekly, monthly. I've been calling XRP just like Ethereum, Bitcoin, and AT&T 100% correctly for 3 years. I called XRP for years at 31 cents as a buy. I told you exactly where it was going to go, and it went there. It's going back to $3.12. It's going back to $3.23. It's going to go over $3.68 for XRP. XLM.
Demo trade
I've
only.
called out XLM.
I am not a financial advisor.
100% correctly for the last 3 years, just like I did. XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and AT&T. XLM is going to 42 cents. XLM is going to 44 cents, and XLM is going to go over 52 cents. ASML. Holy shit, boy, we've been right on this one. Don't you guys wish you would have listened to me on this one? Holy fuck. ASML is a closed trade now. I've been calling this one out not too long now, but I've been calling it out correctly over the last several weeks. 100% take profit hit on 1, 2, and it hit the orange line. It's now hit here, and look, it's hit here. Told you with ASML, 100% correct. Holy shit. Holy shit. 100% called correctly. You're welcome for ASML. You're welcome for XLM. These are free signals I give out at least every week. XRP since 31 cents. Ethereum since 1,300. Bitcoin since 26,500. AT&T 100% correctly called. I just want you guys to understand I've correctly called AT&T for you over the years. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, XLM, and now recently ASML. If anybody want to say thank you to God, he's the one that blessed us with this system. Look at how accurate that is. Again, clearly a 3-week buy stop, clearly in the money, clearly did everything I said. Matter of fact, fuck this. We're going to take a moment. Do I have time? Boy, I'm going slow through these, aren't I? Let me see if I called out SLM here. Hold on. All take profits hit. Well, yeah. Fine. Let me go into another one. Let's see. All take profits hit. Well, we can go back further than that then, and we'll see what these take profits that were hit were called. I don't know. What is this, like 9.2? What am I looking for? No. Let's see down here. No. Oh, yep, there it was. Where'd it go? 767 was take profit 1. On 9/1 I called it, and I called it way earlier than that. It was to go to ASLM 767.19. 767.19. Oh, you're fucking welcome. You're fucking welcome. You'd have made $300 a share on ASML just for the first take profit. Then I called 8 right here. Let's not get confused, mofos. Look at what I called out for this symbol right here on this date right here on 9/1, and I called it way before more than 2. There it is here. Take profit 1, take profit 2, and take profit 3. Holy fucking shit. You all are very welcome for that. Very welcome for that. Oh my, I said, what did I say? Holy fucking shit. I said 1,100. Damn, even I impress myself sometimes. Damn. For everyone here, because these are the freedom you grant us with. You're welcome, Brian, and thank God for that is right. Okay, here we go. Anybody else impressed, or am I just impressing myself this morning? Is anyone else impressed that I called out ASML to go exactly to where it's going before it happened? Yet another stock I called out correctly before it happened. Yet another stock called out exactly before it happened. Anyone else here thoroughly impressed that I called out on 9/1 ASML would go to 767 to 865 and it's still going to go to 1100, and here it is doing it right now. I hope a few of you are very impressed with that and thankful to God, because holy fucking shit, I'm even impressed with that one. That's too fucking funny.
I think I bought a couple options even. Talk to you later. Have a good day.
All right. Wow. Impressive.
All right.
That is, man, thank you, God, for this impressive system. Holy shit. Please tell your friends. Please spread the word. Because now that I am going to push this to the ends of the earth for Keith. No more holding back at this point. I want Keith's name to be known forever. And it will be. Wow. Look at this shit. So no one out there on YouTube's thankful to God other than Brian Flores. Is that right? And Amy Lou. Good morning, Pay Dude. Good morning from Canada. Positive relationships. I'll be going over Toyota soon. Yes. I think, Kirk, but I'll make sure of it. We're running out of time. No one else wants to say thank you on YouTube? No one else wants to say thank you on TikTok. Is that right? I thought I had Toyota in here. Yeah, me. Sam K. All right, Amazon. Strongest possible buy recommendation on Amazon. I'm going to have to go through these really fast. Take any buy stop you can until Amazon go past $238.15. I was just mad scientist. That's funny. Oh, I'm so glad you're back, Amy, too. Alan, Brexit. Okay, now I'm going to go into overdrive. I've taken too long to go through these. Netflix, don't touch it with a 10-foot pole. I've been 100% accurate with it. I'm done with Netflix. NVIDIA, take any 30-minute buy stop you can. I've been 100% accurate with it. Johnson & Johnson, I can't speak highly enough of how perfectly this one performed. 100% accurate with it. AMD, 100% accurate with it. Take any 30-minute buy stop. Matter of fact, hold on a second here. Let me go over to here. Let me go back over to here. So I think somebody needs to hear these. I wish I can record longer and send it. All right, let's go back over these. So Amazon, been 100% accurate with it. Take any 30-minute buy stop. Netflix, don't touch with a 10-foot pole. NVIDIA, take any 30-minute buy stop. Been 100% accurate with it. Johnson & Johnson, been 100% accurate with it. I'm done with it. It's performed perfectly. AMD, you can take any 30-minute buy stop until it goes past 208. I've been 100% accurate with it. And Costco, take it back. Buy stop Costco until 968, then 1,000. McDonald's, been 100% accurate with it. You can do another buy stop until 316. Microsoft, 100% accurate that you could do another buy stop on Microsoft, but I wouldn't touch it. Hilton, not only have I been accurate, but Microsoft, Hilton, and Google has been 100% accurately called out by my signal service. Hilton, 100% accurate, not calling it anymore. Google, 1,000% accurate, not calling it anymore. Apple, 100% accurate, not calling it anymore. Tesla, 100% accurate. If you remember, I'm the first one to be calling it to tell you it was going to go over 500. I'm recording these and whipping these over to someone because I love him and I want him to realize how accurate I have been. United Healthcare is going to be and go up to all those things. Constant buy stop. I can't recommend United Healthcare as a strong enough buy ever. Buy stop United Healthcare. Buy stop United Healthcare. Next up, NVO, a very, very strong 6-month, 12-month buy stop. Love it. I would absolutely look into NVO on this one, but that's up to you guys. You're all adults. Make your own decisions. Okay, now that takes care of those. Let me go back out. So thank you, God. Thank you, God. Reconnect. Got it. And go back into here. All right, I have 6 minutes to market open. Fuck! I'm not going to make it through all of them. Qualcomm strong. I can't recommend Qualcomm strong enough. Qualcomm's a buy. Disney can't rec it strong enough. It's a buy. Intel's a buy. Match.com's a buy. FedEx a buy. P&G's a buy. Equix is a buy. JXX, ED, and that's it. Okay, cool. Now back to what we got to do. Market open. Do not play market open in 5 minutes.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
If you're going to play market open, let's see what we got going on. We need a pullback, and we're seeing it. 1 second. 1 second sell. Sell to the 1 second blue line on SPX. I wouldn't touch that with a 50 million foot pull, but you guys can do it if you want. Let me see a 5 second. 5 second sell stop to the 1 second blue line, all indices. Nope, negative. 1 minute buy. Buy stop, 30 second buy stop, follow it down. You're going to see NAS buy stop. That's to take profit, $24,955.60. I hope this drops down further though. NQ1 take profit, $25,173.50. I hope it drops down further though. We need a little bigger pullback, $6,730.80 for SPX 500. We need them to drop down to at least their 10-second blue line or further. $6,781 take profit. All right. Yeah, we need a little drop down first. You're welcome, A Patriot. What's up, Matt Parker? Good morning, Matt. Do it for Keith. We need to get that trending everywhere. It's something tough to respond juggling between prep for open and listening to you on iPhone, says Ken. Barani says impressive. Remembering Keith. Thank you, Pay Dude. All right, so here we go. I'm calling what I called. You guys trade what the fuck you want to trade. I'm going to wait for a little. No, we're not going to get it. We're not going to get it. Fuck me. Well, it is what it is. 30-second buy stops across the board, all indices. If I can get you guys back in, you know where to enter. 30-second buy stops, and I showed you where the take profits were. We have market open in less than 3 minutes. Do not play market open. If you're going to play market open, make sure that you only demo trade, only lock in your profits.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
All right, I got to go right after 9:30. God bless you all. Remember, life is short. Enjoy every second of it. I'm going to go ahead and play some music while we're waiting for this one to come through. And we'll play the music all the way through.
Tell them.
Oh, I hear it.
Let's go.
What do I hear? Oh, take profit hit for SPX. Take profit hit for ES1. Take profit not hit. You can still re-enter. Re-enter the trade. You can do a demo buy only.
Demo trade.
Buy stop. NAS and NQ especially. SPX, again, re-enter ES1. The man, the myth, the legend, Keith Palmer. No, I cannot. Positive relationships. I'm so sorry. You're too late on that. Ask me again tomorrow. Well, I don't know when I'll be on again. Ask me next time I'm on.
Today I was forged in the donkey fake. Traders better run from the bark in the park. We gon' take it, trail.
Kev, is Larry C? I don't know. I'd have to look at that, Ken. I don't know if he's from Canada. Why? What happened? Something happened in Canada? There's the pull down. Beautiful. Now we can re-enter. Follow NAS down. Follow NAS down. This is what we need, peeps. Now we're talking. 1 minute buy stop. Here you go. Market open in less than a minute. Market open in less than a minute. NAS, NQ1, SPX, all 1 minute 30-second buy stops. All 1 minute 30-second buy stops. When you see me flash this up, these are your take profits on each individual symbol. Oh yeah, baby. I hope it drops further at open. We'll follow it down even more and make even more money on the way up. Woo! We got AI by the ball hairs. Here comes market open.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Oh, I have a friend that is also Larry C. I don't know. Oh, look at the drop down. Follow it down, follow it. This is gorgeous. Oh, well, how far did we go? Did we get to that 30-second yet? Hold on. Not yet. 10-second sell stop. And NAS and NQ1 to the 10-second blue line. I would never trade that, but knock yourselves out. It's over. It's over. It's over. Follow it down. This is gorgeous. Thank you, God, for letting this come down like this. Keep on going down, peeps. Keep on going. Further you go down, the more money we make on the way up, bitches. Woo! Oh, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous. I love this NAS and NQ1. Follow this shit down. Gorgeous. Look at it go. Follow it. Follow it. Have we flipped over yet? Hold on. Sell stop to the 15-second blue line. NAS and NQ. Follow it down. When you see these flip, for those of you who have the Keith bot, when you see the 5-second back flip back up to green and the 10-second go back to green, re-enter the trade. Am I clear? That's how you re-enter this trade. That's how you follow it down. That's how you follow this down. Buy stop. NQ. This is crazy. They're giving us free money. Free money giveaway on NAS. Free money giveaway on NQ. You're back in the money on US 30 and YM1, by the way. You have tons of time on NQ and NAS. Tons of time. Buy in the money on SPX. In the money on ES1. There you go. Take that money on ES1 and SPX. Nice. Nice. There you go. There you go. Look at this. That's how you follow it down, peeps. Zip, dip, dip. So you're in the money. You still have time for NQ and NAS. You still have time for NQ and NAS. You're in the money on SPX, ES1. You can close those trades down. You're in the money on US 30 and YM1. You can close those trades down. You still have time for NQ and NS. I'm going to leave you guys with that thought. I got to run. All right, guys. Everybody have a great, 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 great time. Everybody enjoy themselves. Make great memories in your life. Life is short. I got to go. Buy stop. Strongest demo buy stop recommendation for NQ and NAS. You have plenty of time. Got to go. See y'all. Have a blast. All right, everybody on YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, and Twitch, God bless you all. Yes, is there a song in the works for the great Keith? I know, right? We have to have one. Actually, you're right. It's a good thought.
Tell them.
Kev, tell them that there's going to be a buy stop on NAS and a buy stop on SQ1. Just take your time, follow it down, wait for the flip. You'll know what to do. All right, thank you all. Amy Lou, thank you, Lachey, thank you, Grant, Jamie Rojo, Ken, Persistent. Someone wanted me to look at something. GLDG. Fuck me. I don't want to look at it. I don't have time. GLGD. What the fuck is GLGD? GLGD. Go Gold Resources. Oh, come on. That doesn't even look like a real thing. GLD. Oh, I put it in wrong. TG. Gold mining, also not a real thing. I'm going to look at it for him. I can't read it. I can't read it. There's not enough history. I knew it. I can't read these shitty little things. Yeah, I can't read it. Sorry, I tried to read it. Can't read it. Not reading it. Sorry about that, but hope it helps. All right, God bless you all. Talk to you all later.